What's up, guys? And welcome back.
Hey, so we got tagged by the channel Wonderful World of Walter to do a Disney food or drink. So today we've been dying to make these.
Yes, I'm so excited because we haven't had them in a long time.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to make Captain Cook's pulled pork nachos from the Polynesian.
Yup.
And then we're gonna tag somebody at the end to do a Disney food or drink at home too.
Yes, that's pretty exciting.
I'm so excited.
And while she's working on all of this stuff, it's not necessarily a Disney drink, but I will be making us a drink, which I'm kind of excited for.
Yeah, we're just gonna use what we have in the house because we can't go to the store.
I don't know if you guys are having this problem, but we bought a whole bunch of alcohol to use for quarantine and we've drank it all.
Yeah, we have all the mixers and stuff. We just don't have the alcohol left.
Bad news bears, dude.
All right, so the things you're gonna need for these pulled pork nachos. We have been making this all day in the crock pot.
And what is that you've been making all day in the crock pot?
It's the pulled pork.
We tossed in the pork.
Yeah, we just have like a pork shoulder.
And we put it in the crock pot early this morning. And then after it cooked, I added some barbecue sauce. And then it cooked some more.
Actually, this has been marinating for a few days in some sweet teriyaki barbecue sauce. So we put it in the crock pot, added some more, and you added some pineapple juice.
And I added some pineapple juice, and then we're gonna add the pineapples to the top.
Yes.
And we've got tomatoes to add to the top, and we've got onions to add to the top. And when we're ready, I've got queso to add to the top.
And we're gonna layer it all on these kettle corn chips. I think Disney makes their own homemade kettle corn chips, but we just buy some.
But we decided to do our own. So while you're doing that, Amanda, I'm gonna go ahead and start making drinks.
All right, I'm gonna start cutting the tomatoes and the onion.
That sounds great. And for drinks, while we eat these, we're gonna have some vodka soda waters
Yum.
with a little bit of blue curacao
Makes it pretty.
because it makes it pretty, and that's what we got.
Yeah, I like it.
So the first time we ever had these pulled pork nachos, we went to Captain Cook's after Trader Sam's, and we weren't sure what to get, but we decided to try the pulled pork nachos. They sounded really weird, like nachos on chips. What?
I know, but I'm so glad we got them because they're like our favorite thing to eat at Polynesian.
Yeah. No, they're fantastic.
They're so good.
And the other thing that's really cool about it is you can order them from Captain Cook's and go out and sit in the back on the lanai with the volcano slide, and if you get there early enough, you can go sit down by the Trader Sam's outside place, so you can actually get a view of the Magic Kingdom. And you know what's too bad? We wanted to drink our favorite beer, which is Old Elephant Foot IPA, but they don't sell it up our way, so.
Yeah.
Here you go, man. What do you think of those?
Those are awesome. How
Fun
pretty.
little drinks.
Very cool. Should we try them together before I sip my onion?
Are you gonna sip your onion?
Should we try them together before I cut the onion?
That sounds like a great idea.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh. Oh, that's fun.
It is fun, and it's really good.
It's like refreshing.
Mm-hmm. I like that.
Cut that onion, baby. Don't need too much, I think, right? Can't wait to eat these. We've been smelling the pork cooking all day. All right, I got some tomatoes and onions now, cut up.
Fantastic, good job.
And we gotta cook the queso.
Are you ready for the queso?
I think we're ready.
So what's the first step in putting these nachos together, Amanda?
Put the chips on the plate, I would think. All right, let's get these chips plated.
All right, I've got the queso done.
All right, that's good. All right, so we got the chips on the plate. Next, we do the queso. Crunchy?
No, you don't do the queso next.
The pulled pork
You
first?
do the pulled pork.
Doesn't that go on top?
The queso goes on top.
Okay, pulled pork then.
And then you put the queso, and then you put the onions and the
Just gonna
tomato.
plop it right on there, I guess.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh my god, it smells so good. I hope it's as good as Disney's. I don't think it will be, but
I don't think it's gonna be as good as going to Captain Cook's.
no. But you know what? We tried. What can we do, right? Is that good, you think?
Yeah, that's perfect.
It's too much, maybe.
I think that's good.
Okay. So we have our pork, we have our chips.
All right, now we're gonna layer it with the queso.
Okay. Queso.
All right, what's next?
The tomatoes and onions?
Yep,
Sprinkle this all over.
that sounds good.
I like it. Oh, this is looking really pretty, actually. colorful.
Looks great. I'm so excited for this. I'm so hungry.
Too.
We haven't eaten in several hours.
Yes. And next up is the pineapple.
Toss a couple pineapple chunks on top.
The pineapple is probably my favorite, most surprising part of this.
I don't typically like pineapple. Like, I'm not a pineapple
No.
pizza kind of person, but the pineapple's really good.
It makes it Polynesian-like.
Yeah.
We did it.
All right.
Here is our Captain Cook's pulled pork nachos.
That looks really good.
I'm excited to try this.
Mhm.
And look how nice it looks with our drinks. It's so pretty,
Yeah.
right?
Very festive.
I know.
I'm excited.
Are we ready to try these?
I'm ready to try it. Are you?
Yes. Make sure you get everything.
I want everything on my bite. Even if I have to
This
get
is like
2
messy.
chips.
But we don't care. We're just gonna make a mess.
All right.
Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm. Yep. Those are really good. You get all the flavors that you would at the Polynesian, right?
I'm chewing.
Are you chewing and thinking at the same time?
No, I'm just chewing.
You already know what you're gonna say?
No, I'm just chewing. You're interrupting my chewing. I've become a big fan of just putting me chewing into the vlogs.
Oh, I'm sorry. I ruined everything.
Wow, that is exactly like I remember it. I'm not gonna lie, it's really good, and the pineapple bite makes it taste amazing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This is definitely one of my favorite days ever.
All right.
Wow.
Definitely recommend making these because
Mm-hmm.
it comes out really good.
They were so, oh my God.
Perfect.
I'm excited to just sit here and eat these nachos.
Me too. All right, we gotta tag someone to also make a Disney food or drink at home.
Can you tag me to make another Disney food? Because I would like to do this again.
All right, I tag you.
All right.
I think we're gonna tag the Disney Romantics.
Oh yeah?
Yes. And let's go eat these
Okay.
and drink our drinks.
Okay.
Bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to bring home the nachos
I'm chewing.
and the milk.